Lourdes C. Suarez from BSED Science 3 student. In this video, I will continue by memorizing the periodic table of the atomic number 81 to 118. Thallium, Tl, lead, Pb, bismuth, Bi, polonium, Po, astatine, Es, radon, Rn, francium, Fr, radium, Ra, actinium, Ac, thorium, Th, protactinium, Pa, uranium, U, neptunium, Np, plutonium, Pu, americium, Em, curium, Cm, berkelium, Bk, californium, Cf, einsteinium, Es, fermium, Fm, mendelevium, Md, nobelium, No, lauretium, Lr, rutherfordium, Rf, dubnium, Db, seaborgium, Sg, borium, Bh, hassium, Hs, meitnerium, Mt, darmstadtium, Ds, rowentgenium, Rj, copernicium, Cn, nihonium, Nh, rherobium, Fl, moscovium, Mc, livermorium, Lv, tinisin, Ts, oganisson, Og.